It's 6:45 a.m. and I've arrived at the Guwahati railway station to journey on the Guwahati Haflong Express, which recently added a Vista Dome coach. Now, these coaches have glass ceilings and will be passing through some very, very scenic routes which will bypass the hill station of Haflong along the way. Let's go and see what these new additions, to these trains have been, the purpose they serve, and talk to some railway officials as well.
Northeast region was passing through pandemic corona, so there was a lot of you can say loss of business in the tourism and transportation segment. So we were thinking that how we can revive this industry, which is very essential not only for individual families and persons, but also for the economy of the state and the local areas. So then we came up with this idea because this Vistadom services we were already running in narrow gauge section between Ghum station and Darjeeling, and it was highly successful. So on the similar feedback what we had in the past, we tried to implement the same on our broad gauge sections, which were, you can say, very scenic and picturesque.
Currently, the Northeast Frontier Railway is operating four Vistadome services along the routes from Guwahati to Haflong, Shiliguri to Alipurduar, Guwahati to Naharlagun, and Tinsukia to Naharlagun. I'm currently inside the Vistadome coach on the Guwahati Haflong Express, the train. So this coach has been attached to the very fag end of the train, and it offers some amazing panoramic views of the landscape which is along the route. So you see these huge glass windows that have been fitted inside the train, as well as the glass ceilings through which you can see the natural surroundings. The coach itself seats about 44 people, so there are 44 seats here currently. Now I spoke to several passengers, many of whom are traveling to Haflong for the first time, and according to them, the Vistadome coach was a big reason for them to choose this route, to come to this route and visit Haflong. So it's already, tourism is seeing this huge boost in this part as a result of this train.
We've been planning to go to Haflong for a long time, and the Vista Dome was released, and we thought about the scenery. So yeah, we chose the Vista Dome.
So did you know about the trip? When did you find out about the fact that the railways have started these coaches? And
The day it was released, it came on the newspaper. So we got a few videos on WhatsApp as well. So from that, we got to know about this. I mean, it's just it lets you connect with the environment better because you can see what's going on. You can look up and see the sky sideways. It just feels like you're traveling without a wall. So it feels good.
আমি তিনিটাই বহুত দিনৰ পৰা প্লেন কৰিছোঁ আহিবৰ কাৰণে, মানে যেতিয়া গম পালোঁ যে এই ট্ৰেইনখন দিছে বহুত দিনৰ পৰা প্লেন কৰিছোঁ, কিন্তু আমি টিকেট পোৱা নাই। পটককৈ টিকেট পাই আহি গ'লোঁ, আজি আহিছোঁ আৰু। চব ৰেড হয় আৰু এই গ্লাছবিলাক আছে যে গ্লাছৰ পৰা আমি বাহিৰৰ গোটেইখিনি দেখি আছোঁ, সেইকাৰণে ভাল লাগিছে। এইটো কাৰণে গৈ আছোঁ আমি। হাফলংটো ভাল পাওঁৱেই, কিন্তু তাতেতো অকণমান সময়ৰ কাৰণে পাম আজি, কিন্তু আমি ভিষ্টাডমৰ কাৰণে আমি গৈ আছোঁ তাতে।
after 5 hours, we finally arrived at our destination. I'm currently in Haflong railway station in Assam's Dima Hasao district. Behind me, you can see the hills. This is a very, very lovely hill station. So the journey, as our viewers saw, was extremely comfortable, was even exhilarating. We passed through around at least 5 tunnels during which the lights all turned dim, and just turning on right before the train exited the tunnel. So I will now be speaking to some of the hotel owners and business owners at Haflong, which is a tourist spot in Assam, to understand the kinds of changes that this Vista Dome coach has brought to the tourism industry here. इधर ये विस्टा डोम कोच होने के बाद क्या टूरिस्ट आना ज़्यादा शुरू किया हाफलॉन्ग में?
ये सही है। जब से विस्टा डोम जब से ट्रेन आया तब से बहुत टूरिस्ट आना शुरू करा। अभी इवन ऐसा पे हो गया, अभी रहने का, टूरिस्ट रहने का जगह देने के लिए भी प्रॉब्लम हो गया हम लोग का यहाँ में।
ये पहले कभी नहीं हुआ था।
आगे नहीं हुआ कभी।
तो ये आपने ये बात कर रहे हो, हाफलोंग अभी तक टूरिस्ट जगह इतना भी बन नहीं पाया, क्योंकि जो जैसा आप कह रहे हो कि इतना फैसिलिटी भी नहीं है। तो क्या उसके दौरान गवर्नमेंट कुछ बिजनेस ओनर को दे रहा है, उनको हेल्प कर रहा है, कोई सहायता कर रहा है कि इतना टूरिस्ट जो आ रहा है अभी, तो उनका मदद हो सके, उनको जगह मिल सके, ऐसा कुछ असिस्टेंस मिल रहा है गवर्नमेंट से?
अभी तक तो ऐसा कुछ हेल्प नहीं मिला, लेकिन सुनता टूरिस्ट के ऊपर में बहुत जोर देता, जैसा टूरिस्ट स्पॉट कैसा करके अच्छा करेगा उसका लिए तो बहुत जोर देता। अभी क्लीनलीनेस भी बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया, कैसे जगह जगह में साफ होता है, जगह जगह में व्यू पॉइंट, जगह जगह में जो टूरिस्ट रहने के लिए सेट वो भी बनाने को कोशिश करा। अभी पूर्णा केना ठो व्यू पॉइंट है, उसको भी डिसमेंटल करके न्यू बनाने को शुरू करा अभी।
अच्छा। The print also spoke to Umesh Kumar Roy, the general manager of the Landmark Hotel in Haflong, over the phone, who corroborated this and said that ever since the services were started, there has been an increase in footfall, especially on Wednesday and Saturday when the train runs.
More than I think 90% occupancy we are currently running, and we expect that through these tourism initiatives and a few more, we should be able to earn maybe 50 crore in a year in the coming financial year. So that's the beauty of Vistadom services which NF Railway has started.
Reporting from Assam, this is Angana Chakrabarti for the print.